is everyone honking at me?
Hey, you can't stop here! Hey, Jack!
I don't understand. What did I do wrong?
Hi, I'm Emma. I just arrived in this city.
Welcome. Driving here is very different.
Oh, really? How so?
It's super busy. Don't worry, I can drive well. Be careful. The rules are strict. It will be fine. I will learn fast. Are you sure? Okay. I will drive to the store. Green light, I go!
Stop! Pull over!
Oh! Me? What happened?
You made an illegal turn.
Oh, I'm sorry.
License and registration.
Illegal? I didn't know!
Ignorance is no excuse, ma'am.
I'm so sorry, officer!
Did you read the signs?
I saw them, but I didn't understand.
You must follow the rules.
I'm sorry. I'm new here. This is a one-way street. Oh, I didn't see that.
You also stopped in the wrong place.
Oh no, I thought it was okay. Everything is different here. I'm so worried.
Emma, are you okay?
No, not really. No, I think I broke traffic rules. What? Are you okay? Stay calm. Talk to the officer.
Okay, I'll try.
I'm trying. I feel nervous.
Do you have your license?
My license? Oh no! I think it's in here somewhere. Yes, here it is.
Oh, thank you so much. I can't believe it.
Okay, I see you are new.
Yes, officer, just moved here.
Welcome, drive safe.
Thank you.
Yes, today is my first day driving here.
You must pay a fine.
A fine? That's bad.
I really didn't know the rules.
Not knowing is not an excuse.
Yes, Captain.
Do better.
Please, I will learn.
Let me think.
This is your first mistake?
Yes, I promise.
Okay. I will give you a warning.
Really? Thank you so much.
Take it one call at a time, kid.
Listen more than you talk. The street teaches you everything if you're patient enough to hear it.
But you must study the rule.
I will. I will study today.
What happened?
You won't believe it.
Tell me everything. I got a warning, not a fine.
You are lucky. I know, right?
Now I understand traffic signs better.
That's great, Emma. I'm so proud. Driving is not easy in a new place. I'm getting better at this.
Yes, but you are learning fast.
Always learn the rules before you drive. You're right, Emma.